Do you think AI development needs experts with PhDs? What if I told you the real power of AI is not from degrees or rocket science? It's about a small shift in the mindset. My name is Srinath Natarajan. In this video, let's explore how we can think like AI developer. What are the necessary tools to become AI pro? And of course, some real world examples. Remember, even if you are absolutely beginner, that's perfectly fine. Let's dive into this. Let's break myths first. Many people think AI is something mysterious, complex, and out of reach. But the truth is, it is just about problem solving using data and algorithms. That's it. If you could be able to break problems into actionable items, then you are already started thinking about AI developer. The rest follows learning about tools. Now, let's explore how to develop AI mindset. This requires 4 different strategies. When you are working with AI, never think like AI is complex. Instead, make an effort to understand how the systems works step by step. Remember, curiosity beats fear. AI developers never expect perfect answers. They often experiment, test, fail, and then tweak, and then again test. This process repeats. Every time they fail, they are one step closer to solution. AI is as smart as the data you feed. Every time you ask yourself, what data I need to solve this problem? Never try to build another ChatGPT on day one itself. Instead, pay attention to building small applications, maybe a simple chatbot or image viewer or any other thing of your choice. And then think about how you can scale it in a big fashion. Alright, now let's explore toolkit. Since we are thinking about AI development, we need to know at least one programming language. The recommended programming language is Python. In case if you are new to Python, pay attention to learning Python. For data, we can go for NumPy and Pandas. For machine learning, we can go for scikit-learn. For deep learning, we can go for PyTorch and TensorFlow. You know the best part is, we don't need to have a supercomputer for practicing all these things. Instead, we can go for Google Colab. We can explore pre-trained models on Hugging Face and even practice on real data at Kaggle. My suggestion is, don't get overwhelmed by all these topics. Start with the basics. Start with Python and Pandas, and from there, go step by step. Now the next question is how to develop these skills and work like a developer. For that one, I have a clear roadmap for you. Start with the Python, understand the basics of Python like variables, loops, functions, and many other things. Then start playing with the data like loading CSV file, clearing CSV file, and various options provided by Panda. By this time, you'll be familiar with Python and how to play with the data. Probably it's time to play or it's time to do some projects in machine learning. One fine example is predicting house prices. One thing I want to suggest you is think about joining online AI communities where you can get support from fellow members. Remember one thing, pay attention to continuous learning, continuous improvement, and over the time you can get results. Being a beginner, the biggest superpower is you never hesitate to make experiments. In fact, that's what real AI needs. When you start the project, you don't need to know everything. The best way to learn AI is learn by doing. Fail fast, learn faster. That's the real developer mindset. Let me bring you a real world example, a spam email detection. Being AI developer, how do you think? They break bigger problems into smaller and actionable items. Here, the bigger problem is spam email detection. So let's see how we can break into smaller problems where each task can be addressed individually. Step number 1, data collection. Gather as much as email you want. Step number 2, apply label or filter like whether it's a spam mail or not spam mail. The third thing is we need to come up with some model or we need to build some model which recognizes this pattern. Like it will go each and every email and identifies the pattern, and based on some criteria, it's going to categorize it. And fourth step is we have to test our model. Additionally, we can add some corrections if we need. So this is how we can break a bigger problems into smaller problems. I hope you got some idea. I hope you got to know how to think like AI developer, even as absolute beginner. Don't just watch video and move on. Take some small projects, practice it. Maybe like chatbot or simple image viewer or any other project of your choice. What's most important thing is just to start and embrace the journey rather than becoming expert. I hope you like this video. In case if you like this video, kindly do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video.